Hello everyone, this is Emberhold, a base defense game where we gather resources and build our base by day and defend it by night. Let's check it out. Alright, let's expand this first, and I notice there is no audio or anything. Let's look at the setting. There is music. Oh, are they just very faint? Or maybe it took a bit to start up. But anyways, kinda hard to hear it now. There is legacy. What is legacy? I think it's some sort of upgrade. Yeah, okay. Let's start the game. We can move and select the villager with this. The mouse cursor, they don't really stand out much. You've gotta change it to something more recognizable. Okay. So this is stone. Okay. I click a sheep, but I ran out of people. So how do I get more soldier? Well, let's stop chopping wood for a moment. So we just auto go for new food then. Okay, so let's build a house. So the house takes like the space the house takes is kind of odd. Does it take like all 9 3x3 tile? Let's do that and let's see if... Oh, okay. Something's wrong there. My mouse was moving all over the place. Yeah, so the house takes like 1 tile and a half kind of thing. Okay then. How do I cancel this? Right click? Yeah, right click. Now I need to build a barrack. Yeah, let's do that. And I think we have enough food. I don't know if sheep are gonna respawn. Oh, we're at nighttime already. And okay, hopefully we have enough. Gold chest. I don't have my villager at the moment. Okay, select. So things are happening quite fast. Is there a pause? There is no pause. Okay then, let's go loot that chest. And was that the last of the tutorial? My mouse is gone again. Kinda hard to look. And where is this guy planning to do? Yeah, not sure. He was moving on his own. So is this guy. Are they following each other? Do they have like a patrol thing? Okay. We don't have gold. And I don't know how to create more villager. So can I tell him to collect this? What's happening there? Yeah, I don't know what happened, but seems to be some issue there. And this is our second night. Looks like this is the total enemy They're coming from that area. How big is this? Okay, we have quite a few enemies and we're out of wood. But I think we're doing well. Yeah. And I still don't know how to make more villager. And you go chop wood again. And there is a tower. What does auto repair do? And this guy got stuck on the tree. I didn't notice if it spawned right where he at. And doesn't look like we can heal our unit. They have different status. I don't know how to change that. Some problem with pathfinding for this guy? And why is this one just standing there? I think the tree regrow. Okay, looks like the game is kind of broken at the moment. You just keep chopping wood and nothing's happening. Is it because someone's in the way? Yeah, they went back to the house. Do I click on the house to get more people? Oh, we got a demon here. Let's just get the normal night. We can actually build a tower now. So let's do that. That didn't take time at all. Feels like building should take some time to be spawned. And okay. So the tree were being chopped. I don't know what went wrong the previous day. Kinda took some time to just select them. And we can upgrade this one to a manor. Not sure what it does. That one is blocked again, so maybe something's wrong with your pathfinding code. Yeah, that one is blocked as well, so is that one. And I don't know if there are any other tower. Yeah, so far we only have 3 buildings and our island is pretty small. Can we upgrade this? We can. And this is kinda getting out of bound. Why doesn't it have the same style as this one? Like just change the wood into the actual icon. Looks like we have a boss. Can I upgrade it to ballista? No, we don't have enough gold. Let's make another tower. Oh, there they are. Doesn't look like it's gonna be too much of an issue. Oh, wait. So did I defeat it? That's odd. I don't know if I got anything from that. Okay, there is the chest. Why can't a knight go get the chest? Can it? Well, let's see. Nope, only villager. That's quite weird. Especially we only have 2 now. And we are running out of food. Okay. We got 30. And can I upgrade it? I think I have enough. Yeah. Oh, okay. So nothing changed, just got a second tier right there. And that's all the upgrade we got at the moment. Oh, there is upgrade here. We need a lot of gold. And yep, pathfinding kinda broken. We got a big guy right here. So far the wave don't really seem much of it to be a lot of threats. They don't pose as much threat as I thought they would be. Maybe this guy does. Oh, okay. So when the timer goes down, the waves just end, which is weird. Feels like they should just stay on until you actually clear them. Yep, this one is still stuck. That's quite annoying. Let's just keep getting gold. Oh, we have a lot of stuff around here. And looks like we need more units soon. I need a lot of wood. Yeah, sometimes I can't find a mouse. This one's been chopping since forever. I guess it's next to the house, so it's just gonna keep putting the wood back in. Anyways, let's go back to chopping wood. And we got an archer and we're out of food. Yeah, I said everything was fine, but looks like we could be in trouble here. We only have to survive for 5 more seconds, so we might be fine. Yep. That's so weird. They just disappear at daytime. And please get more wood. So looks like wood is the only thing that we really need a lot of. And why is this one just not doing anything? Oh, are they fixing it? I think so. Anyways, I need more unit. I don't know what the scaling is, but yeah, it looks like we're just gonna get more and more enemies at nighttime. Is this tree gonna disappear? It did. Well, I kinda need more food. Yeah, looks like this is gonna be our last night. I probably will die. Where is he going? Okay. And is there a time to alright, right here. Yep, okay. So we died. Survived for 7 days. And this is our upgrade. So the pawn is the villager. You should keep them consistent. Can't call them pawn here and call them villager in the game. And this is for the starting stuff. Global unit speed. Like, does that include both? gathering and attack speed. Could be more clear on that end. I'll buy one anyways. And yeah, looks like speed is good. Let's try another night. So this is kind of weird. Why would I click start a new run on an empty file? You could add like a continue button to just straight up go to the same file if we already have a save file. Okay, so looks like I cannot skip this tutorial. So the number of villager is just not not very scalable. I thought we would be able to create more villager, but we can only get them through prestige. I guess that's to make it not OP, because we can just keep making new villager. And let's train a knight, and there's the gold chest. You can go get that. And this one was doing, I think, chopping wood or food. I think food. And let's make a lancer. Alright. This is plus 20% wood gathering. Is that the speed or the amount of wood I get? Some wording could be more clear, to be honest. Well, I'll take that anyways. And here comes our first wave. We should be fine. I wish our unit have some sort of auto heal. So yeah, if we killed all the enemies, you could just advance through the next day. No point in just sitting and waiting. This one, can you go get the treasure chest? If only I know where it is. Yeah. Would be nice to show the treasure chest on the minimap. And that one was gathering rock? Or sheep? Yeah, you go gather rock. We can just get gold from somewhere else. And let's just build a tower there. Also, where we have these bushes. I'm not sure if they do anything. No, they don't. So some resource you can collect on the screen and some you just can't. Maybe let's just go all in with Archer. We can upgrade Archer, right? We could. Okay, nighttime again. Oh, we can't create pawn here. Was it there the whole time? I didn't really pay attention. And this upgrade UI is still on. Okay. It's gone now. So would be nice if when you click on like some other building, then the UI just closed by itself. Okay, we made it through another night. Let's create a new pawn. They're kind of hidden behind the castle a little bit. Let's grab that. And I guess just go grab more wood then. And let's get more archer. Just gonna cost a lot now. Yeah, I think this is everything in the game at the moment. So we can time speed here. Would be nice to have some sort of auto like key bind to speed change. That would be useful. And this one is block again. Can you go get sheep? Yeah, they just refuse. I think something's broken. Anyways, so if I exit now, do I get anything? No, I don't get anything. You should really make it so we can still get the prestige when we exit the game. I'm gonna stop the demo here. The game is quite simple at the moment, not a lot of content to go through. You don't need to show tutorial whenever the player start a new run. I didn't notice that you can create more pawn or villager at first. Somehow that button didn't draw my attention at all. Sometimes my mouse just jumped to random spot. I don't know what that was about. There were issues with pathfinding, which is important in this type of game, since broken pathfinding means my resources aren't being generated. You have to fix that ASAP. When I change the pawn task to something else, if they're holding a resource, I think the resource just disappear. That feels kinda bad. They should deliver it to the base first or drop it on the ground to collect later. The random resource spawning also need improvement. I think some resources just pop up without checking if that spot is occupied by a unit. It makes that unit pathfinding break. If your building are too close to each other, units will get bug out and don't know how to go around them. Not being able to heal unit make me feel bad when they die while at high level. That's all the feedback I have. Good luck with your development. Goodbye.